You're trying to get a grip on your finances. You know you need a budget, but the sheer number of budgeting apps out there is overwhelming. EveryDollar, YNAB, which one is right for you? Today, we're diving deep to help you decide. Both EveryDollar and YNAB are popular budgeting methods, but they have distinct approaches. EveryDollar, championed by Dave Ramsey, focuses on a zero-based budget. This means every dollar you earn has a designated purpose. It's a simple, envelope-style system where you allocate funds to categories like housing, food, and entertainment. YNAB, where you need a budget, takes a more flexible approach. It emphasizes giving every dollar a job, whether it's covering past expenses, saving for future goals, or simply enjoying life. It encourages mindful spending and prioritization. EveryDollar Deep Dive. Let's break down EveryDollar. Pros. Simplicity, it's incredibly user-friendly, even for budgeting beginners. Affordability, the basic plan is free, making it accessible to everyone. Community, the EveryDollar community and Dave Ramsey's teachings provide strong support. Cons. Rigid, the zero-based budget can feel restrictive for some. Limited features, compared to YNAB, EveryDollar lacks advanced features like recurring transactions or investment tracking. Reliance on cash envelopes, while effective, the cash envelope system can be inconvenient for many. Now, let's explore YNAB. Pros. Flexibility, it adapts to your unique financial situation and spending habits. Powerful tools, YNAB offers robust features like recurring bill reminders, budget adjustments, and savings goals. Focus on behavior change, it emphasizes mindful spending and teaches valuable money management skills. Cons. Steeper learning curve, YNAB has a steeper learning curve than EveryDollar. Cost, YNAB requires a monthly subscription, which might be a barrier for some. Can feel overwhelming, the initial setup and ongoing maintenance can feel overwhelming for some users. Which one is right for you? Ultimately, the better app depends entirely on your individual needs and preferences. Choose EveryDollar if you're a beginner, prefer simplicity, and value a free and straightforward budgeting system. Choose YNAB if you're willing to invest time and money, desire a flexible and powerful budgeting tool, and are motivated to learn and improve your financial habits. Don't forget to consider your personality and spending style. If you thrive on structure and simplicity, EveryDollar might be a better fit. If you prefer flexibility and are comfortable with a bit of a learning curve, YNAB could be the winner. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.